In a quiet workshop in 1783, the Montgolfier brothers meticulously plan their incredible invention. Every sketch, every calculation brings them closer to defying gravity itself. With intense focus, they discuss proportions, fabrics, and the secrets of hot air that will soon lift them into the sky. Careful hands stretch the delicate silk panels, stitching them together with painstaking precision. Each thread, each fold is crucial, for this balloon, fragile as it seems, will carry human dreams above the earth for the first time. The brothers test the fire baskets, studying the behavior of flames and the rising heat. Every flicker, every wisp of smoke teaches them how to harness the invisible power that will lift their creation skyward. With silk panels secured and ropes taut, the balloon is assembled. Assistants hold it steady as the brothers prepare for their first test, hearts pounding in anticipation. A dream built of fabric, fire, and determination is ready to rise. The small balloon ascends, and for the first time, human eyes follow its flight. Awe and exhilaration ripple through the brothers and their assistants, proof that imagination, courage, and careful planning can lift humanity to new heights. The balloon lands safely, and cheers erupt. Relief and joy light the brothers' faces as villagers and assistants rush to congratulate them. A new era of human flight has begun, witnessed by those